today's move day. We got to leave Washington.
Yes. We skipped right through Idaho and now we're in Montana.
Yep. Headed to Glacier National Park. Just outside it.
Just outside it. On the west side, right?
Yeah, we'll be boondocking for a couple of weeks. Has some coordinates near Apgar.
Yes, the Apgar Visitor Center.
And we're going to meet up with somebody next week.
Yep, a couple of people. Going on some big long hikes. The Highline Trail is one of them, so if we're still alive after that hike in a couple of days, then we'll check in again.
Yep. Now there's waterfalls. Going to be here.
There's a couple, yeah.
But the big thing in Montana that we're going to try to find for everybody is wildlife.
Wildlife, yep.
Mountain goats, bears, moose. But I tell you what, Idaho is full of turkeys.
Idaho was pretty interesting. I wouldn't mind going back to northern Idaho.
For now, Montana and Glacier National Park. We're on the Trail of the Cedars
Trail of the Cedars.
in Glacier National Park.
We have no idea how long the trail is, but the line for the next shuttle was super long, so we're trying the trail.
Yep, we're going to give them time to thin out the crowd a little bit and see what we can see. The Trail of Cedars, which leads into a Y where you can go on around and finish the Trail of Cedars, or you can go to what's the name of this lake?
Avalanche Lake.
Avalanche Lake. And the sign says the Avalanche Lake was 2 miles away. I think we've gone almost 4 miles total now. Now, we did stop at the edge of the lake. Of course, when you first see the lake, that's not where we should stop, apparently, because we need to walk further.
Yeah.
So it looks like we're on another at least mile hike to the other end of the lake to get a picture.
It's gonna be worth it.
So we'll see if it's worth it. Pretty cool.
It's as beautiful as promised.
Lake McDonald is the largest lake in Glacier National Park. It is approximately 10 miles long, over a mile wide, and nearly 500 feet deep, filling a valley that was formed by the combination of erosion and glacial activity. We stopped by to explore Lake McDonald Lodge. The lodge offers a variety of accommodations ranging from classic hotel rooms to hostel rooms and two-room suites with stone fireplaces. There are also cabins with rustic exteriors and a beautiful lake view. Red Bus Tours depart from the lodge and take passengers on a scenic exploration of the park via the Going to the Sun Road. The buses were brought to the park in the early 30s. Our final stop on the west side was Apgar Village, where we checked out more of Lake McDonald, chatted with several travelers, and waited for the sunset to fall over the lake. This stop allowed me to capture a beautiful sunset photo. The Logan Pass Visitor Center sits in an elevation of 6,700 feet and straddles the Continental Divide. During this visit, we hiked a portion of the Hidden Lake Trail and then found a spot to capture the last new moon Milky Way of the season.